Ciao! What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you all how to download Snapchat Plus Plus onto your iOS or Android device for absolutely free. No jailbreak or root required, guys. So this is literally going to take under 5 minutes to do, and I promise you will get Snapchat Plus Plus fully installed onto your device. And yeah, let's get right into it. It's not going to take much time at all, I promise. And no revokes either. The method I'm going to show you guys, you will never get revoked from your phone, so it's pretty easy to do. Let's get right into the video. I'm actually going to show you guys the screen recording of my phone on screen here. That way you guys can follow along. So let me go ahead and turn it on, and then I'll be able to add it when I edit the video. But yeah, it's going to be pretty easy to do. Just keep on watching. So now I'm screen recording on my phone, so it should pop up now on the screen. And yeah, let's get right into it. So as you can see here, I have two Snapchat applications. I have the Snapchat Plus Plus, and then I have the regular Snapchat. Now I'm going to show you all how to exactly download Snapchat Plus Plus onto your device for absolutely free. And with this, you're going to be able to get a bunch of cool mods on Snapchat. For example, screenshot without the other person knowing. You're going to be able to do a bunch of cool stuff with it. So yeah, the first step you're going to want to do is open up your settings on your device and on your iOS device. If you're on Android, I guess you can ignore this step. But once you're in settings, go to General, go to Background app refresh, and make sure it's turned on to Wi-Fi and mobile data. And now once you've done that, what you're going to want to do next is go into the battery section and make sure that you have low power mode off, and make sure you have at least 10% battery for this download. If you don't have at least 10%, then the download will not work. So make sure you have at least 10% battery. Now once we've done that, we're ready to go ahead and download the Snapchat Plus Plus application. Now I cannot open it up just in case Snapchat might delete this video for copyright, because you know it is a hacked app. Technically it's like modded. It's technically like modding the original app, so it's against like their terms. But for my own channel safety, I don't want to show the app, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So open up your browser and you're going to go to the website smmsky.co. So just type that website in, smmsky.co, on your iOS or Android device. If you're on iOS, then use Safari. If you're on Android, use Google Chrome. And basically smmsky.co is basically like a tweaked app store, third-party app store website that you're going to be able to use to download Snapchat Plus Plus straight onto your device for absolutely free. So once you're on the website, go ahead and type in Snapchat. And you should see it pop up here, guys. There we are, Snapchat Plus Plus. We're going to tap on it, then tap Start Injection. And now we just have to wait for this to load. So this should take about like 15 seconds or so. Also, if you guys made it this far into the video, please leave a like and subscribe with post notifications on, because I'm going to be doing some huge giveaways on this channel, trying to grow it out. And I figure why not give back to the community as well, especially in these rough times. But basically, we're almost done waiting for this to load, so give this a couple more seconds. Also, let me know what other like tweaked apps you guys want me to show you all how to download. Instagram Plus Plus, Tinder Plus Plus. You know, I got access to all those, so I can pretty much make easy tutorials for you guys on how to get those ones as well. But yeah, this is gonna load up now, and this is the final part of the download. It's actually really easy to do, so just follow along and you'll see how to do it. So it's gonna say please follow and complete the instructions of 2 free offers below to finish the download process. This is actually really easy to do. So you're gonna see some apps here, and all you got to do is follow the instructions of 2 of them exactly as it says. So you click on one of them. So this one's saying download and install this app to run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. Pretty simple, guys. Each app takes maybe 30 seconds to a minute to do. So I'm going to do this app first. We're going to go ahead and get ready right now. So we've got this app installed already because I've done this before. But here we are running our first offer. And then once you do one offer, all you got to do is head back and do a second one. And after you're done at least 2, Snapchat Plus Plus will fully download on your device, and you'll be able to use the tweaked app for free. So I'm just going to let this one run here for about 5 to 10 more seconds, and then I'm going to head back, choose another app, and then after we've done that, we're pretty much done, and Snapchat Plus Plus will fully download onto our mobile phone. So now you go back, choose another one, like I said, click on it, read the instructions, and do exactly as it says. Now I'm not gonna finish the second app because I don't want to make this video too long. But after you finish everything, Snapchat Plus Plus will download. Like I said, I cannot open it up because I don't want to risk my channel getting striked for copyright by Snapchat. But that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys have any more questions, let me know down below. If it didn't work, though, come back here and try some more offers, and that should fix it. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.